Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the pick a card read. This reading is going to be around the topic what is going to be the future of the connection that you have with your specific someone. When we say the future doesn't mean the ultimate future. For some of you, maybe it will show the energies of the ultimate future as well. But it's more like a future that you're going to be having within a 1 month time from whenever you are checking this read. So I usually would pick a cards and in general reads I suggest that you keep it to the 1 month limit only, especially when it comes to these kind of topics. So yeah, I have two piles here, blue pile and the pink pile. Pick whichever pile you want to choose to see the answer, what is going to be the future of the connection. I pulled out oracle cards in this reading as well, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So I'm going to start the read with the blue pile. So let's see. For the people who are choosing the blue pile, let's find out what is going to be the future of your connection with your specific someone. I'm going to start with the tarot first and then we'll see the oracle messages. Death, Seven of Cups and Nine of Swords. I do see this connection kind of ending, or the connection has already ended. But this ending is not going to be the ultimate thing for the connection. I feel like there has been so many things that was keeping the energy of the or the vibe of the connection very negative. So I feel like it's this end or this breakup is a must for you to have a new beginning, if there would be any, because as of now I feel like the connection is definitely leading towards an ending for sure. There that ending is going to transform you and your person as well, but will that transformation bring you two together again or not, that's another question. But yes, I feel like an ending is definitely happening within this connection. There has been a lot happening which has been guiding you towards something, but you have been ignoring it. Maybe you have been having dreams around it, maybe you have been having some clues around it, maybe you have been having some other signs coming from the universe through different things happening in your life every day, but you have been not able to pick those signs up. Same goes for your person as well. So I feel like this ending is going to give you that space where you're going to think about it the right way forward. So I feel like I do see that there is definitely going to be an ending, and for some of you, maybe after an ending there would be a new beginning as well. Let's take the oracle messages now. Let's see what the oracle has to suggest. Express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. For some of you, maybe this ending is going to make your person this ending is going to kind of prompt them to come forward to express their love to you if they have been kind of ignoring the signs coming from the universe. So this ending could be a very transformative time for the two of you in this connection. You would understand your worth. You might pull away from this person as well. For some of you, you might be doing so just so your person could have the clarity about the connection as well. And that will again, like I said earlier, I feel like with this ending, it can be you an ending that's gonna bring you two together. It can be an ending that makes you kind of part ways and move on with your specific someones who maybe who are yet to enter in your life. But with this oracle card adding to the whole reading, it's giving out the vibe that your person could have been the one who was not expressing the love, or maybe it was you who was who was kind of holding your emotions back. So maybe this connection has to end for now. Plus, there could be one more issue in the connection. Even if you try hard and harder to make it, work right now, maybe it's not going to work right now. Because there's a lot of negativity, toxicity in the connection right now, which needs to kind of explode. So when you come back together, there's a new vibe, positivity in the connection. No negativity, nothing from the past, old, left in the connection. So maybe that too is a plan of the God that you believe in as well regarding your love life. So I feel like this ending is going to definitely have a new beginning between the two of you, as your person might express their love and they make a romantic gesture towards you as well. So yeah, let's take more oracle cards. Prayer. While you wait, while you see things falling apart, which you would take it as falling apart, but in actuality it's just going to be a process that you will be going through to get what you wanted with your person. So pray, affirm all the things that you desire as you wait, as you let things unfold naturally. Let's take the last card, which says, your children on earth and in heaven are happy and well cared for by God and the angels. You don't have anything to worry about. You know, your angels are telling you that everything is perfectly fine. You are being taken care of. Your person, your connection is being taken care of. You have nothing to lose here. You are not going to lose anything here. What is yours. So nobody else in this world can snatch that away from you. You just need to relax. You just need to go with the flow. The universe is, maybe you planned it differently, but the universe has a better plan to go about it, to get you exactly what you wanted. Maybe if you continue doing what you were doing, maybe you would never have the expression of love coming from your person. So maybe this ending is a must for that to happen. So try and understand and let things happen on the divine time. Try not to kind of question everything. Why this? I prayed for that. Relax, everything is perfectly fine and under control, so just don't obsess around it. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the pile blue. Let's move on to the second pile, which is pile pink. What is going to be the future of the connection that you have with your person? Let's see. But like I said earlier, this the future thing means the coming future, not the ultimate future. So for some of you, maybe it's going to be the ultimate future vibe as well coming in, but for majority of you, it's going to be the coming future, not the ultimate future. So yeah, let's start the read with the tarot first, and then we'll include the oracle cards. Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. Ace of Swords. I feel like, a lot of clarity is definitely going to come in this connection for the two of you. I feel like, one person is giving into the connection too much to the point where they start feeling like, they are draining themselves by putting so much effort into it. They at times feel like pulling away, but then they feel like maybe they have to put the effort, otherwise they will lose the person. In actuality, that's not going to happen. Even if you relax around it, especially if you are overdoing things, that's going to make you feel burdenized. So don't do that to yourself. Whatever you want, it will happen. If you have a clear intention, if you have let the God that you believe in, that this is what you want, with 100% dedication, with 100% clarity, that will come through. But while you wait, you have to stay positive, happy, content. With you overdoing things, you will have bad dreams around it, you will have negative emotions around it, you will have sleepless nights around it. So you don't need to do that. I feel like, for majority of you who chose the pile pink, maybe you are overdoing things in this connection, and that's why you are kind of, getting upset around it. You feel like, you don't have clarity where it is heading, because you don't see anything coming from your person right now. So you just need to relax. The universe is taking care of everything. If and only if you have a clear picture around what do you want, if you have a clarity in your mind that this is what you are aiming for, the universe is going to get you that. Just relax and don't overdo things right now. Maybe you just need to relax right now, because maybe you are having sleepless nights right now, because you're stressing around it, you're obsessing around it. Just relax. You don't need to do more work around it. Just relax. Be on the receiving end. Be on the end where you know that you have put the effort. You just need to relax and let the good things come to you now. Let's see what the oracle suggests though, because I feel like, it's more of your energy, not the energy of the person that you are dealing with. You are overdoing things, that's why you are feeling like, when, why, this, that. So it's just like, you are obsessing over it. You just need to relax. You just stop doing the affirmations things and all. If that's making you kind of, stressed, why it's still not working, why it's not happening, you just need to calm down. You just need to believe and have faith. It's more like, you need to tap into that level of manifestation where you set your intention and just forget it. Because there are two. Look, if you're doing affirmations, and if it's keeping you positive, that's the purpose of the affirmations basically. If you are doing affirmations and you have been doing the affirmations, you have not been getting the results, or even if you have been getting the results, it's just that the results are very slow. Maybe you need to stop doing that and just believe and let it be. Then there is this thing, or the level of manifestation, when you don't feel the need to use affirmations or any of the manifestation tools and techniques. Why? Because when you live from the end result, like, as if everything has happened already. So, if I am with my man, I would not be using any affirmation because I will be happy with that guy. So if I live from that end result, that's another level of manifestation. You know, you just go about your day as everything is perfect. You are not putting effort into anything. It's just so effortlessly happening for you. So in your situation, you are in that situation where you are overdoing things and getting nothing out of it. So that's stressing you. In actuality, there are things that have been changing from the behind the curtains, I would say, but somehow you don't see them coming through. That is kind of causing you a lot of stress. It's very important for you to stop doing anything right now. Just relax, just go into your life, do your thing, and don't think heavily around this person, connection, and anything. Just do your thing, just keep yourself busy. That's what you need to do, because you have to start from level zero, because you are kind of obsessing around it. You just don't need to do that, because it's more like you are losing faith and you are letting your fear control you. So you just need to cut it down. Let's see the oracle message then. Gossip. Ooh, that's exactly what I just said. Maybe you are kind of getting fearful. Maybe you heard something about them. Maybe you feel like maybe it's never going to come. So it's more like you are getting fearful now. Why it's not happening? Maybe it's never going to happen. So you just need to cut the gossips out of your life. Don't listen to any of them, first of all. Don't let people tell you what you are doing wrong, what you are doing right. Just stick to what you believe in. Then we do have yoga and exercise are essential to your well-being, peace of mind, and spiritual growth right now. So maybe you need to focus on yourself more than focusing on this person and this connection that you have with them. It's high time that you do that. Last card, new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Maybe you can try manifesting your life partner instead of manifesting this specific someone. What's going to happen is, when you uh, when you manifest your life partner, you don't have any resistance to the idea of meeting a person who loves you, who values you, and everything. It's very easy for you to imagine being pampered and stuff like that. But when you put a face to that person, and that person is your specific someone, then it's hard for you to believe, because you are not on talking terms right now. You are not doing this and that together. So you will have your issues accepting that as your new reality. Now if you live from the end result, if you want to do that, you can try that. Because of this card here, maybe you can start telling yourself that you are with this person who loves you so dearly, who loves you so badly. And since you are deep down connected to the same person, same specific ex of yours or person of yours, you will ultimately manifest them as your life partner, because that's how it works. Because your subconscious somehow still connects you to your specific someone, but since you are visualizing, you are staying happy, thinking positive about your love life, as if you are with the one already, and this and that, and you're doing all the good things that you wanted to do with that person, you are ultimately going to manifest the change from your person towards you. But with what you are applying right now, that is basically blocking you. So you just need to stop doing that. Try manifesting your life partner, because that's going to help you attract your person back to yourself. Because I feel like it's more important for you to have that. For very few of you, maybe it's high time that you move on as well. Especially for those of you who know that your person have already moved on. They have already maybe got engaged or married to someone else. Stop trying to manifest them back in your life. Maybe you will not be able to do so in that situation. Maybe in that situation you just need to focus on yourself right now. Until and unless you heal from it, don't get into any other relationship, and then only you will have a new person coming in your life as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read or any of the services that I offer, you can check the description box for further details on that. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.